Everything that you're feeling right now is completely valid. Your anger, and then the frustration, perhaps the sadness, just the why that's hidden underneath that anger, right? That just resistance to what's been unfolding is all completely valid. But what I want to share with you is that blaming things outside of yourself, blaming the coronavirus, blaming life, blaming circumstance for how you feel is ultimately going to disempower you, because your thoughts, your chosen belief system is creating how you feel right now. And it's so important. If we don't know what we're thinking and we don't know how we're feeling, it's hard for us to create change. So what I would want you to do in this situation, 1, take permission to feel angry right now, totally valid. But 2, take it a step further and write a letter. Write a letter to coronavirus, for example, and express how you feel. Express it, write it down, and then look at what you've written and know that whatever you've just shared is a chosen perspective.